Are you tired of spending too much time chopping, dicing, and slicing your veggies? What if I told you there's a way to make meal prep not only faster, but also easier and more enjoyable? Let's dive into a kitchen tool that's transforming the way we prep food. With this versatile kitchen essential, you can chop, dice, slice, and even spiralize your favorite vegetables in no time. It's all thanks to its heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades designed to deliver razor-sharp precision with every use. Imagine slicing through tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, and even potatoes with zero effort. No more crying from onions or wasting time with a knife. The sharp, reliable blades make chopping quick and easy, giving you professional results right at home. And don't worry about your hands slipping or losing control. The ergonomic soft grip handle provides extra comfort and control, even during those long prep sessions. Plus, the non-slip base ensures the chopper stays securely in place on any surface, dry or wet. The best part? Cleanup is a breeze. The chopper comes with a convenient catch tray that keeps the mess contained, and it's dishwasher safe. Everything stays neat, and you save valuable time on washing up. This tool is perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen. It simplifies your meal prep, making healthy eating easier, faster, and less stressful. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about how much faster they can prep veggies now. They love how easy it is to use, how quick cleanup is, and how consistently great the chopping results are. It's a time saver and a game changer for busy kitchens. Plus, it's compact and easy to store. Everything fits inside, so there's no mess or clutter in your kitchen. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their cooking game to the next level without spending hours in the kitchen. Ready to revolutionize your meal prep? Grab this amazing chopper today and experience just how easy and fun cooking can be. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.